So star player Leon Bailey is missing from the Reggae Boy squad for the upcoming Nations League semi-final. Coach Jaime Hallgrimson suspended Bailey for breaking curfew and staying out of the camp and eventually missing the team bus the morning after for a home game against Canada last year. And instructively, it was Coach Hallgrimson and not the JFF who handed down the suspension. I mean, I have no problem with it, especially for Bailey, a consistent underperformer for Jamaica. And word making the rounds is that this behavior is habitual by Bailey whenever the team plays in Jamaica, while his performances continue to be lukewarm. Well, Coach Hallgrimson acted decisively and timely because no one is better or bigger than the team. And obviously, Coach Hallgrimson is taking this decision at this time to send a clear message to Bailey before the more important Copa America and especially the vital World Cup qualifiers. So, Coach, big up. Big up yourself, Coach. Big up yourself. Big up yourself.